Today we are going to discuss whether violence movies, TV programs, or video games can harm children. In my opinion, this is a very important topic because children are exposed to screens from very young age. Nowadays, many children spend a lot of time watching TV, using phones, or playing video games at home. Because of this, I believe that violent contents can negatively affect children, especially when there is a little supervision from adults. Some children may imitate what they see on screens or think that violence is a normal way to solving problems. Over time, this can make them less sensitive to violence and less aware of its real consequences. Of course, not all children react in the same way, and factors like age and personality also play an important role. So, I think these issues is a real concern that parents and society so take seriously. So, Scarlett, do you think violence video games are more harmful than movies or TV shows?
I think violent video games can be more harmful because they are interactive. Children don't know just watch violence, they actively participate in it. In many ways, violence is real or a push can set the wrong message. This can increase aggressive behavior or make violence seem normal. I also think that prolonged exposure to this type of content can affect how children solve problems in real life. What do you think, somewhere? Should parents strictly limit this type of content or is guidance enough?
To answer your question, I believe that guidance and proper orientation are far more important than imposing strict limits. I do not believe that violent movies or video games are always harmful to children, because in many cases, children are capable of understanding that this type of content is fictional or does not reflect real life behavior. The real issue arises when parents or guardians fail to communicate with their children about what they watch or play. Without guidance, children may struggle to interpret the content appropriately. Having open communication allows parents to explain the difference between fiction and reality. They can discuss values and highlight the consequences of violent actions. This dialogue helps children develop critical thinking and emotional awareness. Therefore, rather than relying solely on restrictions, having supervision, education, and an active parental involvement play a crucial role in helping children process media content responsibly. In your opinion, Julie, are age rating systems truly effective in protecting children, or are they often ignored by parents and guardians?
Answering your question, I think age ratings are useful, but they are often ignored. Many parents don't pay enough attention to them or underestimate their importance. In conclusion, violent movies, TV shows, and video games can harm children, but the effects depend on the age, maturity, and involvement of the parents. Instead of banning everything, adults should guide children and teach them to understand what they consume. This will become even more important in the future as technology continues to advance.